Faces around the campfire, so jolly and so happy. Tonight I'm only thinking of cowboys that are gone away. So I'm gazing around this circle. I see each and every empty space. I sigh as I remember each missing cowboy's face. A shorty, Texas and slim, my own partner Jim. I wonder if they know we miss them here below. The faces around the campfire have left us year by year. So I'm missing the faces around the campfire. Oh, I wish that they were here.